These two babies are about 77 million years old, and it's an absolute miracle that they have been preserved this perfectly. These are two exceptionally rare nestling hadrosaurid dinosaurs. Now, we believe that they are lambeosaurs because the only adults found in the layer where these were discovered were lambeosaurs. But it will be up to scientists to research these and determine the exact genus and species. This is unheard of. Having a juvenile dinosaur is almost unheard of. You can see even down to the little detail of the vertebrae, the femurs, again, the eggshells. You can even see the little teeny bumps on the eggs. And they're perfectly articulated, kind of curled up in the nest in the way that they died. The only reason that these are the way they are is that this nest must have been buried immediately. There was a rapid event, a landslide or something along those lines that packed them down under the ground. Because normally what would happen is these would be eaten by other larger predators. A dinosaur's favorite snack is a baby dinosaur. They weren't killed by another dinosaur. This was an environmental event. These come from the Judith River Formation in Montana near a tiny town known as Havre, which is a location where many incredible fossils have been found. Because so few babies have been found, we have a huge hole in our scientific understanding of how dinosaurs developed over time, what we call the ontogeny of dinosaurs. It's specimens like this that help us answer those crucial questions about how they evolved over time. So you see this skeleton here, for example, is so perfectly articulated. You've got your jaws and you can see the tiny detail on these teeth moving into the cervical vertebrae, into the dorsal vertebrae, and down into the caudal vertebrae where we get the end of this little baby's tail. And you see these super fine dorsal ribs. And the other specimen down here, again, you see these caudal vertebrae, dorsal vertebrae, and the femur. All of this brown material is eggshell, and we see some other bone just kind of going underneath. This down here is in one piece, so that's really promising for what could be underneath this layer of the block. Researchers can get an idea of what could have been happening when these two babies died. They're so rich in information. This is the type of specimens that scientists dream of.